how to access the users folder on your MacBook. It is very easy. To start off, you can go to Finder, click on Finder, and once you're in Finder, you want to go to Settings. To go to Settings for Finder, go to the top left corner to find Finder again, and click on it and go to Settings. In Settings on the top, you have a bar, and in those you have an option called Sidebar. Go to Sidebar and then scroll down to Locations till you see the name of your Mac. Now this is the name of my Mac and I've made sure to check it. Now if it is checked, it is always going to show up in the sidebar of the Finder. Close it and then you can see the name of your Mac. Click on it. Then you see two options again on the right side. Click on Macintosh HD, which stands for Macintosh hard drive. Then you have the users folder right over here. Double click on it to see all the users that are currently on your MacBook. Now a simpler way to do that is show up with the path bar. How to enable this path bar, which also has the users folder here? Go to View. In View, you want to make sure that you click on Show Path Bar, in which case you can see path bar has appeared. Now every time I open up a folder, for example, I've gone to Downloads and selected ChatGPT, you can see Macintosh HD users, my username, downloads, and then the file itself. To go to users folder from here, I can just click on users and I am in users. And those are the two very easy ways to go to users folder. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has been, do make sure to subscribe.